Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel, Wandering Gypsy Deb. If you haven't done so already, or if you're new, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. And while you're at it, give this video a like. Share it with your friends and family if you think they'll be interested. Today, we are going to be reviewing the Ozark Square Folding Rolltop camping table. So let's check this out and do the unboxing. The table comes in a nice carry bag with a nice strap, so you could put it over your shoulder and carry it to your campsite or wherever you're going to be using it. And the bag has a nice drawstring at the top. So here we go. We're going to take this out of the bag and put it together. Okay, so as you can see, all the parts are here in the bag. We're going to take those out. There's these two poles. And there's a separate section in the bag. It's actually got a divider where the legs go into one part and the tabletop in the other part. So this is the bottom of the table. And this is the tabletop. Whoops. Okay. So first, we're going to take the frame and open it up. And then these poles, they each have a hole here and a hole here. And they're going to go on these little posts right here at the very top. And snap right in. That's one. And then here's the other one with the holes. And I'm going to turn this around so you can see. Okay, and on this tabletop, you'll see on the end slat, there's a piece here with a hole in it, one here and one here. And we're going to slide those into the end of the post here and here. That's one and two. And then we just stretch this out. And we're going to do the same on this end. And there you have it, the Ozark Square Rolltop folding table. It's 31.5 inches square and 27.5 inches tall from the ground. This table you can use for camping. Would be nice on a patio for an outdoor barbecue. Or even if you have company over and you're short of tabletop space, you can set this up in your living room or dining room. Use it as a food table for Thanksgiving dinner. The possibilities are endless. You can see the top of the table. It actually looks like wood, but it's made of aluminum. Can't wait to use this at our campsite. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video when I wander again.